kinds of different ones. There are different gathering areas to meet your family and friends. Lots of different photo ops. This one here is the butterfly. Makes me think of my daughter Stephanie, who is in heaven. She was the butterfly whisperer. And at nighttime, that one is lit up, so it's really pretty. Hear the sound of water. Very healing here. Very feng shui here. Of all of the wood, the water, fire, stone. Pretty regularly through. You'll find park benches or hammocks throughout the resort. If you're tired because there's a lot of walking, there are many places for you to stop and rest. Here's another gathering area that says, "Wish you were here," and at nighttime this is lit up as well. And you'll also find local artists here with beautiful paintings that they've done. Okay, cafe is behind me, but I might as well show you this quickly as well. This is Rendezvous. This is a really fun bar. It has a stage over here, so different shows perform. There's a fire pit, comfortable lounging, and they even have swings. We'll peek inside. It's still very early in the morning. Right outside of the Rendezvous, there are table and chairs set up as well. That kind of expands out here. You sit here out of the sun to cool off and enjoy your favorite beverage. Hidden back here is pool number 3. This is known as the quiet pool. So if you're a reader or someone just needs to shut down the mind, this is the tranquil pool. And I really like this one. Even though you're kind of in the middle of the jungle, this pool has a lot of sun. I don't know if you can see that, that's the moon over there, above that palm tree there. Anyway, they play Mayan meditation music at this pool, so super relaxing. And then over in that corner is the sports bar known as Halftime, another gathering area sometimes with shows. And there are drink service around all of the pools, drink service around the beach. And if you have building 1, not sure about building 2, but I know building 1, you get drink service at your swim out. But however you don't in the other buildings. But one is right next to the bars, so that's probably why they cover that one. But I was in building 6 and inquired, and no, they do not have drink service at the swim outs. Except for, like I said, in building 1, I know for sure does. It's another path to that 3rd pool. Back to Desires. I'm going to take a left here. And I was told at this time of the morning we might get lucky and find some coatis, coatis, coati, however you want to say it. And this is another area where you can have a little dinner reception. They have several trees of life around. This is one of them. Has the butterflies again. You can listen to some other stuff in. I am here for Dia de los Muertos to honor her and the remarkable woman she was. And my best friend also just passed away a couple months ago. What do we find? Cocoa Cafe. So there's a place to sit out. Oh, pretty. Let's see what they have. All you need is love and a good cup of coffee. Yogurt, sandwiches, juice, water, salad, fruit cocktail. And she's going to be your hostess now. And you got cookies. Okay. And you have pretzels. And you have novelty items. Up here is the menu. They also have ice cream. You can get some shakes, but not like the shakes you get at Secrets Cape Cana. However, this one has better coffee. I like the Mexican coffee better. There are some shops this way. If you like jewelry, they do have precious gems. Then we have Himitsu. This is the supposed to be Japanese, but it's a mixed fusion of different Asian foods. There is a novelty gift shop in here. I'm gonna bring you in here real quick, just so, whoops, it's full. And nope, oh, yeah, there we go.